Okay, yeah, here are the chili beans. I doubled the recipe, but I had a 2.5 pounds of ground, the 7327, so you had to drain all the grease out, so I didn't have a lean ground beef. But I had 2.5 pounds of that. I used a can of pinto beans, a can of dark red kidney beans, a can of diced tomatoes, a can of rotel tomatoes, and I also added an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce just because it wasn't enough liquid for me. And so now this cooks for maybe 10-15 minutes and it's actually done. But if I'm going to be completely honest with you, I prefer the 2 alarm chili mix. That French's I know for a fact is very good when you making, like, just say chili and you crumble the ground meat up real good and you're making chili for your, like, hot dogs or Frito pies. It's a better chili for that, in my opinion. But I like it. It's a quick meal. This is Tuesday night. I already have something for Tuesday night, but this is going to be our Wednesday dinner in case we have Bible study. The weather's supposed to be bad. We may not have it, but if we have Bible study, I'm going to be there. Again, I'm coming on to share this with you because I told you that I would. This is the French's chili. French's Chili-O packet that I got from Sam's. It was $5.93. Really quick and simple chili. All right, y'all. Be blessed. Much love. Bye.